All right, we are with George, EV Auto Styles, Orange County?
Orange County, yes.
What city?
In City of Orange, off the 57 and Ball.
There you go. So I've known George for many years. He was one of the few people with Model X's when I had the Model X. And we're inside his Model X studios. Wait till I show you what this thing looks like outside and inside. But originally it was a white one.
Originally it was a white Model X, yes.
What year is it?
2023, the new fresh, new body style.
There you go. Plaid or long range?
Long range.
Long range.
And the reason why I went long range, because I knew I was going to dump over 25 into it.
Man.
But it went up a little bit higher.
So when I saw his, the first rendition of this, the interior is just great. And then next level now. Like, multiple levels more now. It's just crazy. What kind of seats are they? Like, is it Nappa leather?
So this is true Nappa leather by Alia leather. So this way, the difference between regular leather and Nappa leather, Nappa is going to have no grain to it. So regular leather is going to have grain to it. Nappa is going to last a little bit longer. So Nappa is the same as like if you buy a Ferrari or a Lambo, it comes into those standard vehicles.
Ah, so is the advantage like just last longer and more durable?
The advantage of the Nappa is actually the feel because of no grain, so it has that smooth texture to it.
Okay.
And it does last longer because it is the better hide of the cow when you actually have Nappa leather compares to regular leather.
So Nappa leather is the type of quality and not a brand.
Correct. Nappa is going to be the quality hide of the cow.
Interesting.
And it's going to be a major difference.
So the seats are Nappa leather. Let me look around here and flip this camera over. Look at this, guys. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Everything here is custom. This is also leather?
This is actually Nappa vinyl. Nappa vinyl, and the reason why it's Nappa vinyl because if you were to put true Nappa leather on the dash,
it's the sun, huh?
Well, no, you wouldn't be able to actually tuck it in and to fit properly.
Interesting.
So you have to have it a little bit more thinner and more stretch, so that way you can do the awkward,
the shape
of the dash. And then plus that way too, it still allows the airbag to punch through.
Oh, I see it.
You see how it's scarred?
Yeah.
So what we did, we actually scarred the material underneath the material before we actually applied it onto the dash, so that way the airbag can punch through if it had to be.
That's important.
Yes.
So tell me about these on the door panels. Oh my gosh.
So these door panels is a quadruple stitch diamond. That's Nappa as well. The cool thing about it, the holes are symmetrical to the actual diamond.
Oh, yeah.
And then there's actually black leather behind the diamond hole. So if you look closely, there's actually a black leather behind the hole as well.
Nice. So the little details.
Yes.
Wow.
So the carpet is done. The center console's done. We added this actually 2 days ago. We had some extra material, so we added the diamonds into the center console as well.
Very cool. I love these.
Actually, the carpet's done as well.
My goodness.
Yeah,
man.
everything's totally custom.
Sheesh. And the steering wheel got the yoke. Look at that.
So this came with it when I actually ordered it. It came with it.
Yeah.
But I'll be honest with you, this is the hardest to do the interior on compared to a seat. This
a lot better quality than the Tesla one, I'll tell you that.
This took a lot of time just to shape it and actual stitch it onto the yoke. It was, I think we did it 3 times.
And so some of you might be wondering, like, who did all this stuff? This guy did all this stuff. That's why he knows his stuff when he's talking about the different leather, the amount of work and everything. His shop does all this stuff custom. Everything's custom. No matter what car, right? It doesn't have to be Tesla,
No,
right?
it doesn't have to be Tesla.
Because I think you have a truck too.
Yes, I have a Suburban. I have a lifted truck. So we do gasoline vehicles as well, besides EVs.
Nice. Man, I just love seeing your car because it's so unique. But yeah, the whole thing, huh?
The whole thing, yes.
My goodness. All right, we're going to do some B-rolls for you to check out. Look at it. He even got a screen right here. Look at that. That's an iPad.
We got the iPad Pro there with a full internet. And then we have another screen down here from factory. so we can watch Netflix and all that good stuff
Yes.
as we're driving. And not only that, this is the first Tesla Model X in the US to have a full Alpine system in it.
There you go. I was like, what is this right here? Man.
I'm just going to give you a little sample if you don't mind.
Ooh. Whoa. I wish I could play that for y'all, but oh, man.
My son does have song on Apple Music.
Oh, there we go.
That he
Oh,
did.
it would still demonetize though, I think, no?
I own the copyright.
Okay.
We own the copyrights to it.
You hear that, YouTube? Don't knock on my door.
No, not at all.
Was the name of the artist Big Birds?
And my son is actually here today.
Nice.
On to this money like these bonds that I keep on spending. I'm constantly spending. I'ma stay up on this.
It sounds so clean, dude.
Thank you.
It's clean.
Thank you.
It's not like overly done or anything. Man.
24 Alpine speakers.
Can we go check it out?
100%.
All right, let's go. All right, so he even has like this carbon fiber vinyl on here in the door jamb. Some little designs right here. And we're gonna go check out those speakers. Tell me about the setup right here again.
So with this Alpine setup, this is actually their new 14-channel digital processor that is made for the 16 volt for the Tesla.
Oh, because these have the 16-volt batteries.
Exactly. When we did the collab with Alpine on this 16 volt, we were able to do the sound system using the Tesla battery, not an external 12 volt battery.
Yeah, so it just fits. It just fits with what you have.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Ooh, this is dope.
Would be in your face.
All right. Make sure you give my guy George a shout out. You got to check out this Model X in person. My goodness. Look at this right here, man. Follow him right there. If you need anything done to your car, check out his shop because they do really good work. It's like one of the coolest Model X's I've ever seen. Yes. He opened the door for me and it made me miss the X a little bit. Oh man, this is neat. Man.
So I did digital with my sponsor, wrapped it inside of mine.
So we got the turbo ticket tosser. So this is really